You're a student, but what if I told you that you're sitting on tools worth thousands of dollars for free? Yeah, this is the GitHub Student Developer Pack, and most students don't even use 90% of it. So today, I'll show you the top features you should use first. And trust me, number 3 alone can change your whole coding workflow. Let's start. First, the one everyone talks about, GitHub Copilot. This is basically AI that writes code for you. You type a comment, and it completes entire functions, websites, scripts, even full apps. If you're learning programming, this is like having a senior developer sitting next to you 24/7. And yes, students get it for free. Now second, this one is underrated. GitHub Codespaces, Cloud. Imagine coding on any device without installing anything. Everything runs in the cloud. Laptop slow? Doesn't matter. Using university PC? Still works. You literally open your browser and start coding instantly. Third, and this one is crazy powerful, cloud credits, dollars. You get free credits on platforms like DigitalOcean, Microsoft Azure. That means you can actually deploy real apps online, not just run them locally. Websites, APIs, portfolios, everything live on the internet. Now, number 4, for learning fast, books. You get access to platforms like Front-End Masters, Educative. These are paid platforms, but free for students. You can learn web dev, system design, interviews, all in one place. If you're serious about getting a job, this is gold.
Next, dev tools and testing. You get tools like BrowserStack, Sentry, meaning you can test your apps on real devices and track errors like a professional developer. This is what companies actually use. Number 6, free hosting. With GitHub Pages, you can launch your own website in minutes. Portfolio, blog, project showcase, all online for free. If you don't have a portfolio yet, you're missing opportunities. And finally, one of the most overlooked features, career and certification. You even get a free GitHub certification voucher to prove your skills. That's something you can put on your CV and actually stand out. So yeah, this is not just a student perk. It's literally a full developer toolkit for free. And the biggest mistake? Getting access and never using it.